How to fix your laptop's audio or sound not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your laptop's audio or sound not working. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step that you will need to take is search for services in your device. Hit enter after you find services and open this up. After you do that, you'll simply need to search for Windows Audio. So search for Windows Audio. You should find it easily because all of these are arranged in alphabetical order. After you find Windows Audio, open this up. And after you open this up, make sure that you have set it to automatic. Now you can just make sure that you have set all of these to the default option. After you do that, tap on apply and then tap on OK. Now, what you'll again need to do is you can simply restart your Windows Audio. Doing that will also help you fix your issue. And even after doing that, your issue is not fixed. Search for Control Panel. After you search for Control Panel, make sure that you're on the small icon, and right here you'll find the sound option. Open it up and you'll find your Realtek speakers. Now from here, make sure that all of these are set to the default as well. Make sure there are no enhancements and no extra settings that you have tweaked, and tap on apply and then tap on OK. After doing that, tap on apply and then again tap on OK, and you should be good to go. And the last fix is you will need to simply head over to Device Manager, and after you're on Device Manager, you will need to search for your audio. After you find your audio, choose your speakers and reset your drivers. Update your drivers, or you can simply uninstall your drivers. After you do that, what you can do is restart your device and your device driver will automatically get installed. And after doing that, your problem should get fixed, guys. That is basically all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.